In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to knock out text in Canva. This effect creates text that looks like it's been cut out of a shape, letting whatever sits behind it show through. It's clean, eye-catching, and perfect for thumbnails, banners, or social posts. Start by opening Canva and heading to your projects so you're working in the design you want. In your main design, add a solid background shape, like a square or rectangle, and size it to match the space where your text will live. Then add your text on top of that shape. Choose a bold, chunky font so the letters have enough thickness to knock out clearly, and position the text centered over the shape for a balanced look. With the text selected, open the text color and set it to white. Using white here helps the removal tool distinguish the letters and gives clean, crisp edges. Make sure the text clearly overlaps the shape and that you're happy with the spacing before moving on. Next, select only the text and the background shape together. Keep other elements out of the selection to avoid exporting more than you need. Download this selection as a PNG. PNG keeps your edges sharp and is ideal for this kind of effect. After the download finishes, drag that PNG right back onto your canvas. Click the image, go to Edit Image, and choose Background Remover. Canva will analyze the image and remove the white letters, leaving the solid shape intact. The result is that your letters become transparent cutouts. If you see any small areas that weren't removed, use the Erase or Restore brushes in the Remover tool to tidy up the edges for a flawless finish. Now add a new page to your design. On this page, choose any background color you like or drop in an image from Elements. This is what will show through the letters, so pick something with contrast or texture for the best effect. Finally, drag your edited text image onto the new page. Resize and center it as needed. You'll see the knockout text instantly, with the background color or image shining through the transparent letters. If you want a stronger look, scale the shape up, adjust letter spacing for readability, and make sure the background isn't too busy behind the cutouts. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.